Are we rolling?
Yeah, but you're not in frame.
Okay. What? How does this work? Is this switchblade?
No.
Oh, that's boring.
Out, man.
Okay, that'll work.
Like a man.
As long as it's going, you're like, oh! All right. Hello again, everyone. Pietro here. Thanks for clicking on by. So today, another big box. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to quickly unbox this, and then we're going to go to the setup. We're going to use it for a week. We'll pause the video, and then we'll do a follow-up. But let's see what's inside. So StarLink is an internet alternative, and it's backed by, anyone? Tesla. Okay, here we go. And thank you for my videographer, Stefano. Say hi, Stefano.
Hello.
Okay, we've run into this problem before, right? Like, where's the front? Ooh, there's the front. Wow, this box is a little hammered. Oh, that's nice. So this is the SpaceX logo, correct?
Yeah, I think so. It's empty.
Oh, you got screwed. Oh, it's recyclable. Oh, but it doesn't have my name on it. A lot of these have Pete. I always get excited when I see my name on the packaging. Mounting bracket. Metal. Nice. And here is the dish. Nice and clean with a small dent in it. Son of a nutcracker.
Is it really?
Yeah, that got scratched in packaging.
Wow.
Well, it's squishy. Oh, okay. I almost got really upset. Like, okay, this was more than $20. How could they have not packaged it that way? Okay, good news. It's not dented. Nice. And then this would be your router, correct? Strictly Wi-Fi. And then you actually ordered the Ethernet adapter, correct?
Yep. Should be here in a few weeks.
Now, not everyone wants a LAN cable, and that's why they come pure Wi-Fi. So this is your Wi-Fi router, and it supports, what, 20 hotspots?
Who knows?
20 connections? We're going to test that. So let's go on the roof and set this up. Okay. We had this, not come to Jesus moment, but an epiphany, that we thought we were going to have to feed all this power cable through the hole, but if you notice right here, this unplugs. And yes, it is USB-C. Thank heavens. If this had been like, oh my gosh, it's not USB-C. It's micro USB. What the hell? Elon Musk, you should be ashamed of yourself. It's a really big micro USB though.
You know,
that almost looks like USB-C.
It's probably designed so it doesn't plug into anything else.
Yeah. Well, the downside is, you know, if you were outside trying to fit it doesn't go in. I mean, it's only going to go in one way, but still, the fact that it's not USB-C, I'm slightly disappointed. I apologize.
Yeah, but look at the size of that power cable.
Yeah, that's true. Wow, that is beefy. Oh yeah. And then it does lock, so that's nice. So right here, that releases it. So it's not going to fall off your RV or your boat. And now we can slide this back in. Okay, that's not a bad, nope. Okay, hang on. Yeah, you have to, you have to take it off.
Here.
Feed it. Okay, you're gonna wanna hire a small child from Canada to help you. There we go. Ta-da! That was much easier than feeding 72 feet of cable. Okay, let's go mount it to your house. Got out of the box. We took some thumbnails. Stefano is in the app and he's looking at the sky.
Look at all those green dots.
That's cool. What do they mean?
I guess you just
satellites.
You look. Maybe I don't know.
Is there that many satellites out there?
I guess you've got to look all over the sky.
So we're going to see if we can get this dish to communicate just right through the window. Okay, now we're on the app and it's going to give us our results. Estimated and, ooh, what's that say?
You may want to find a better spot.
Great. So the kitchen table's not going to work?
I think the ceiling might be an issue for our satellite internet.
Should we put it closer to the door?
No, let's go ahead and set it up anyways.
All right. Do we plug it in and
Wi-Fi
power it?
settings.
Oh no, it's not plugged in yet.
So it's like all on. Like, let's plug it in.
Okay, so we have everything plugged in.
Got StarLink.
Sweet. There it is, StarLink.
Boom.
So the adapter is already showing up on the Wi-Fi. So I kind of thought there'd be like lights or something. There's no lights or anything on this device. I was kind of hoping it would like light up or something.
Yeah, I expected more out of that.
But that's all right. It's still fun to look at. You can shove this under a desk out of the way. Okay, shocker, this thing moves on its own. Do that again, that was cool. Do it again, do it
I
again.
didn't have to do anything. It's got a mind of its own.
So it automatically did triangulation to the satellites?
Yeah, I wonder. All right, I'm gonna do a speed test to see if, because I'm connected.
That was really cool.
That was intense.
Okay, so when you're doing the setup and you're looking at the bottom and you think you can move the thing, don't do that. You'll break the motor. That's bad. Don't break the motor.
All right, so apparently
Can't reach the satellite. Okay, so it was moving. It rebooted and now it's offline, so we'll see what happens.
there's the Wi-Fi configuration. We can split the 2.4 and 5 gigahertz.
Which is good because not all devices are 5 gigahertz compliant, which we learned last year.
IoT stuff's a pain in the butt.
Enable
lock it to 2.4.
WPA3 security, bypass Starfi router altogether. That's nice.
The StarLink Wi-Fi router. So my goal is when the Ethernet adapter comes in, I'm gonna actually put it right into my router and then try dual load balancing between multiple providers.
That would be cool. What else does the app tell us?
You can stow it, so if you need to transport it.
And put it in your
For
frunk.
storage or shipping. Yeah, put it in your frunk.
Factory reset.
Yeah.
How do we get it to move again?
You can set up another StarLink.
Oh, why wouldn't we have
advanced. What do we got here? Remote troubleshooting.
Device ID, router ID.
Right,
How do we get it to move again?
I don't know. It says
Why does it
it's
still
booting.
says offline?
What's this booting?
I think we should put it outside.
Banish it.
Let's see how it does in the snow.
He'll blend in. It's just a super long.
Okay, it kept on saying offline, so we put it outside in the cold. That dog nearby does not like us. It's a lonely dish. It is a little warm. Yeah, that's like...
The bottom of it. Like try. No, the other end.
We'll have to get my temperature gauge. Oh yeah, that's like maybe 60 degrees.
It's warming up. So
give or take.
doubles the Z.
So it's creating radiation. Can we cook an egg on this? That's what I
It
want.
makes for a great stool.
Yeah. Here, I'll just, my apologies for the dog. Do you have a BB gun? No, I'm just kidding. I was kidding. I wouldn't shoot a dog, I promise. It's been offline for at least 5-7 minutes. It's 18:03, still offline. So we're getting nowhere. It's still stuck on offline. We're gonna move this from the deck. Whoa, that's heavy. Yes, that dog. Whoop, slack, slack. We're gonna put it on the picnic table. Okay, what's it say now?
It says Peter sucks.
Oh, my phone just went wonky. Ah! All right, sorry about that. My phone went all wonky. So it's working, kind of. Okay, so now it has the cool thing on it.
Well, I'm just doing a check again.
That is really cool. Please work. Please work. 2%. Estimated obstructions.
You may want to find a better spot.
No, that's a good spot. How can that not be a good spot? I don't see how that's any different than me climbing up there and putting it on the roof with that. I mean, we have a straight shot.
Satellites can go this way.
That's true.
Oh, network issue. Oh, wait, no. That disappeared. Online.
Yay!
Do we have?
Let's do a speed test.
All right.
Can't reach the site. Okay, so lesson learned. This doesn't work inside your house on the kitchen table.
But I'm not. Let's see. Let's go to stats. So latency. Look, we're hitting like the max is only 58 milliseconds.
That's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Usage.
Speed test.
Oh, it has a built-in speed test. Nice. 3, 8, 10. Oh, okay.
That's pretty bad. But with the obstructions, I wonder. You know what I need to do is
Well,
take
plus
it up
it's still booting up. 17, 18.
20.
Okay, well, you're not going to stream 4K Netflix, but that's all right.
Hey, the upload is better than Xfinity.
Oh, is this the upload, not the download?
The
I'm
upload's
sorry.
11.
That's not actually. That's better than my Xfinity.
Yeah.
My Xfinity caps out at 10. Okay, now we're doing a download.
Oh,
So
no, hold on. That's router to internet. Whoa.
Whoa.
That's amazing.
That's a whole different. This is phone to router. Now it's router to internet. Dang.
Can we call your neighbor and have him put the dog inside? I just want to reiterate, I have never shot a dog with a BB gun. That was purely humor. Okay, 98 router to internet. And now we're
So
getting
upload tanked
nowhere.
a little bit, but what's
13.
this?
iPhone to router. And there's a person at your front door. 15.
So I wonder if it just
16.
does the same test over and over. Oh no, it's on like stage 3 of it.
And the satellite has not moved.
No. So I'm curious if there's a.
Ooh, yeah, right there. That's a little warm spot. Could not fry an egg. So one thing I'd like to test if we get snow is if your signal goes dead. Because if that's going to be flat, so you don't want to mount it like that. You want to mount it on the side.
It auto. Yeah.
Because if this gets covered with snow,
get a pole and stick it. Actually, if I get a pole and stick it right in the corner.
yeah, that might work. Or could you just mount it right there on the side of the house?
Oh, no signal received.
So we just lost our signal. Well, it's getting cold out here and I'm hungry. So we're going to let Stefano play around with his new gadget and we'll do a follow-up.
Sounds good.
Thank you.